Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick practice of a person in a martial arts pose. So if you have your pencils all set, we are going to draw a pose in which there is a little bit of foreshortening involved as well. So we will first determine the area in which we are drawing. Let us put down an arc like that, an arc like that, an arc like that. So that's an eye, kind of an eye. And please use very light strokes. Let's put in an oval right here. Let's put in a circle, another circle, and a set of lines like that. So fairly easy exercise till now. Let's put in a head on that figure, and then we will be using some foreshortening, but that is coming right down the line. We will first put down some other details. Right here we're going to put in an arc just that long, circle, arc, and then at the back we're going to put in arc going like that, and a circle, and an arc that'll be like that, just that much. Then right here we are putting in an arc like that, so I'm just going about it like we're going fast, but we're also going quite slowly. Circle, arc, and a circle. Now this one you could even like move here, but it won't make a difference. So we will first try this. First let's just lay out the body. So the eyes, nose and mouth, set of ears there. I'm going to give him some kind of tunic. There's that chest right there. And there's the front leg. And there's the back leg. As I have said, that there's some foreshortening there, so we'll just show a bit of that foot on the end and more of the foot in the front. Okay, from here we will draw the arm that is here at the back, the cocked fist. So with this one now we can do a variety of things. So one pose is this. So the idea of this first pose is to draw that clenched fist. There's the thumb and the fleshier part of the hand. If I erase this as we go, so a clenched fist that is held to one side. Now you could change the perspective on this. Let's say that we are going to move in a little closer, to the body. So in this case, we are following one same line here, and we are going with different arcs, and we are ending somewhere here in this case. So bring the fist more inward, and in this case, before you even put down the fist, we'll just put down a little box like that. That's where the fist will go, and then right behind that is our essential exercise in foreshortening. You might have to move around some details, and that is okay, because that is how you basically keep on adjusting artwork. So there's our thumb here again, and the idea is it's this, not this. It's just a famous pose in which the fingers are like that. Rid of the stray lines there. So we could see this a little more clearly. You could make this as foreshortened as you wish, but again, that will depend on what angle, what perspective you are looking to use. So that is another way of putting it down. And if you had light falling in from that end, you would of course have some shadow falling in on all the necessary ends. So this arm can be as foreshortened as you wish. That'll again depend on what angle you're looking to move this guy in. So again, and all the other details, for example, edge on the hand here, or maybe taking off a little bit of the forearm there, or making it thick. It's all up to you of what kind of figure you're putting in. where the placement is of that fist. So it is a little complicated, but again, with some practice, we can all get better and better at it. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.